Good morning, Calculus. Today we're going to take a look at some related rate examples out of a textbook called Essential Calculus. I'm going to show you the guidelines for solving related rate problems, and then I'm going to take a moment to just show each one of the examples so that you can pause and try out each example on your own before watching my solutions. So I'll assume that you've attempted these and are ready to just watch me solve them. catch that that was cosine squared. A lot of this problem and the challenge of it comes from being able to piece together that you are given so many things. For example, when you can't find ds dt, well, you were given s and you know how to take derivatives, so you just take the derivative of s with respect to t. That's the 100t. You're also given t in the problem. When you're trying to figure out what to do with cosine, you're given the triangle and you've always known SOHCAHTOA. So we use ka to find cosine of the angle. We don't have the hypotenuse, but we do know Pythagorean theorem. So again, we're using all of the basics that we've always known to piece in all of the individual pieces of this missing expression. Once we do that, we're going to be able to cancel a whole lot of stuff. And it isn't going to look super pretty at first, but this is the kind of equation that we can just cancel out a lot before going into the calculation. We did previously solve for s, it was 5,000, and we're given t is 10, so that'll allow us to cancel this whole back factor here into 1/2. A small calculator crunch is going to bring us to our final answer. Don't forget your SI units for theta or angle is radians, so this is radians per second. I'm going to take the opportunity here to do some color coding, going back through the example and showing you pieces that are given first of all. d theta dt is what we're solving for. 1 over secant squared, remember that's cosine squared. I'm looking for this ds dt. I'm given s, so I found ds dt and replaced it with 100t. Cosine squared, I used SOHCAHTOA, solved for that. Was missing an h, so found my hypotenuse and stuck that in as well. The blue piece comes in and is squared, because remember cosine was squared. That's the green bit showing you there. When we fill in our s, 5,000, and t, 10, we'll be done.